I'm Jimmy Dillon. I'm back with tips from the professional guitarist. Today I want to continue our study of Eclectic Electric, which is the next product I'm coming out with. And within the context of that product, we're going to be exploring all my different guitars, my whole collection of guitars I break out in it. I get into lots of different tones, lots of different styles, both hybrid picking, regular picking, fingerstyle, on electric. Today I wanted to continue giving you an example of what it sounds like when we use a little bit of delay, a volume pedal. Today I'm going to do it without distortion. I'm just going to do a clean sound and give you an example of what it sounds like. Right now I'm going to just do like a little simple lick. Now you can hear I was just doing a real simple blues shuffle in A, but with the delay sound and bringing in the volume in and out, it kind of gives it almost like a mystical quality, a little bit different. Here's without the delay. It's basically basic Strat sound in a treble position. When I add the delay to it and play with the volume pedal, it kind of gets a little bit. A bit of that really kind of mystical, otherworldly sound. The guy in The Police uses that a lot. You know, what's that? That kind of sound. He uses the delay a lot. Now, if you add distortion to that, it gets a little fatter sound. Obviously, Keith Richards, who just put out a new bio that I can't wait to read. That's more of a, a delay of a different nature and used in a different way and more of a rock thing. It's more of a Joe Walsh, Rocky Mountain High kind of, Rocky Mountain Way, sorry. And if you add slide to that, you see how that delay has a big fatness to it. And then if I bring in my volume pedal, I can make it sound, again, like a violin. All I'm really doing is striking a note. Like in this case, I'm striking a high B note and bringing it in with my volume pedal. It has a very dramatic sound. If you want to get that Led Zeppelin kind of sound. It's kind of dramatic. So that's just another way you can utilize the electric guitar and add a minimal of effects. I'm not a huge effects guy. I do like to use them, sparingly in the right place. And I think if you overuse the effects, you tend to lose the true nature of the guitar, the true sound of the guitar, and I never want to lose that. So if I just, bring it back to natural, it's still all right here in the hands. So you never want to lose the actual signature sound of the guitar that you're playing buried in effects. So that's my delay lesson for the day. Come back and see us, and I'm going to give you a couple different examples. Next time it's going to be on a Telecaster. So stay with us, and we'll see you shortly.